Hey everyone, I'm going to show you today how you can do a crystal chakra healing on yourself. I personally have a little kit here that I like to use, but you can use any combination of crystals that you already own. If you have the right colors that match the chakras, going up red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, clear, white, you can do this with any stones. I just purchased this because I thought it was really cute and easy to use, and I can throw it in my bag, travel with it. It's perfect. So I'm going to tilt the camera down as I do this chakra healing on myself so you can see what I'm doing. So to start with, I'm going to take the crystals out. And I've set my intention for this healing that this is for me. This is a healing for me and my chakras, clearing out negative energy, what's no longer serving me, and get my chakras really just spinning in a nice, healthy, clockwise position. So I'm at a high frequency, a high vibe. Hold on, let me make sure this is all in frame for you guys. Now, we're just missing that top one. So I've lined my crystals up here. They're all in frame for you. Obviously, this is starting down at the root with the red, going all the way up through the chakras. I am also going to be using a pendulum to do this. I can show you my pendulum. I love this. I have another video on how to use a pendulum. For me, using a pendulum, when it spins in a counterclockwise way like that, that is yes or clear. And when it goes back and forth, that is no, or like a clogged chakra, energetically full with anything. Anything can get stuck in our chakras. Negative thought patterns, negative energy from someone else, exhaustion, stress, all of that can get, bogged down in our chakras, and so we're not functioning well. So what I'm going to do is go through and just test each chakra and see where I have blocks. So I'm going to start at the root here and just see, ask the pendulum, is this chakra blocked? Is this chakra blocked? No surprise, my root is blocked right now. I'm tired. I've been having some stress. Okay, thank you, pendulum. Now for the sacral chakra. Is this chakra blocked on me right now? Is this chakra blocked? And that's a no. Okay, thank you, pendulum. Heading up to the solar plexus. Is my solar plexus blocked? Does my solar plexus need clearing? All right, it's not. That's not a surprise. I've been doing a lot of work on my solar plexus lately. All right. Green, is my heart chakra blocked, clogged up, not open? And yes, that is true. I know that to be true. I've been really protective of my heart since my divorce. Look at the pendulum, it's swinging more and more. That's a very strong yes. So far we have the root and my heart. Let's go to my throat. Does my throat chakra need clearing? Is it blocked? Nope. I'm not surprised about this either. I've been doing a lot of healing with the solar plexus and my throat chakra. Okay, third eye. Is my third eye clogged? Does it need a clearing? Is my third eye chakra clogged? Does it need? No, that's a strong no. My third eye, I'm sure, not surprised by this at all. I'm really into hearing my inner voice, my intuition right now. So this is not a surprise. Thank you, pendulum. Moving on to the crown chakra. How is my crown chakra? Is my crown chakra blocked? Does my crown chakra need healing? Does it need to be cleaned out? Give me a strong yes or no. Okay, no. Also not surprised by that. I've been doing a lot of work letting in source, letting in light, letting in love, and just connection to the higher realms, the angelic realms, guardian angels, all of that. So for me, we got that my root and my heart chakras are clogged up, not spinning in a beautiful, healthy clockwise fashion. So these parts of me are shut down. This is still my safety in the world. I'm still recovering from trauma, from abusive relationship, abusive divorce, and my heart is definitely still closed for the same reasons. So there's two things I can do now. I can literally just do healing on these two chakras, give myself light and love. I'll tip the camera up a little bit. You can put your hands on yourself. Just give yourself light and love. And a lot of people can just literally clear out their chakras. They can feel energetically what's clogged. It's okay, heart. Talk to yourself. Let yourself know it's okay to open. It's okay to love. Picture just your heart chakra opening. I'm going to do the same for my sacral chakra, reminding myself that I am safe in the world, clearing out all these old stories, all these energetic anchors I've had that have just had a hold on me. I'll just do some connecting, take a minute and breathe. And then next, it's important to retest the chakras. So I'm going to tilt this back down. Make sure you can see everything. Is my root chakra now open? And we're getting a yes. Fantastic. Thank you, Pendulum. For my heart chakra, is it now more open? Have I been able to clear out some of the gunk and negative stories? Is my heart chakra open? I'm still getting a no on this one. Still not a surprise. So now I can do a few different things. I can continue to just work on opening my heart. This is my work right now. I know that. And I'm not going to do it in this video because it could go on forever, but I can do a lot of visualization, picture just a lot of light and love coming in. Picture the chakra like literally opening up, spinning in a really healthy clockwise way. And yeah, it will take some work. And this is great information to have. This is a great way to get started on healing for yourself, your energetic body, and raising that frequency. I hope this helps someone out there, and have a great day.